Alright, so this is part 2, installing the train horn on a 1964 Lincoln Continental convertible. So in the first video you saw where the horns are going. Now I'm going to show you where the compressor and the tank are. So as you can see, it's a convertible, so it's real tight back here. That top actually folds here, so when that's closed and tops down, it's just pretty packed in here. Now those stilts planks are going to come off. That tank is going to be flush to the floor, and that's probably where the compressor is going to go, between the subwoofer and the amps for the audio system. So from there we'll have here's a pressure switch that's going to shut off the compressor when the tank gets too full of air, and then we'll have a gauge. Here's the gauge. This is going to show your air pressure in the tank, and among other things, we're going to have a line that basically is going to go from here to the front of the car where the actual horns are. And I'll show you that again. The horns are most likely going to go here in the wheel well. And we also have a valve. So the hose is going to come from the front of the car, from the tank to this valve back there. From there it splits off to 4 lines, and each one of those goes into the horn. So to give you an idea, there's the valve. Horns are right there behind here. And again, you have your compressor and your tank back here. We'll get that bad boy stuck down there soon. So next video, we'll send you more updates.